Hi guys, I am Prakriti and I'm a solo traveler from India. As promised on Instagram, I'll be more active on YouTube. I want to utilize my YouTube channel by sharing more important issues in life and more important things that I am experiencing and all my experience in general. So we will call it a series, Prakriti Speaks, where I will share all my experience with you guys, and you can drop down your questions if you have any for the next video. So I asked on Instagram to you guys about what should be my first video for this series, and a lot of you have asked me if I feel safe in India and asked me to share my experiences of traveling solo in India. In fact, if you have seen my Instagram bio says I travel in India and I feel safe in India. Uh, when I wrote it, I literally meant it because I really feel safe in India because मुझे कभी डर ही नहीं लगा किसी से भी. लोग बोलते हैं कि आदमी से डरना चाहिए. मुझे आदमी से नहीं डर लगता क्योंकि किसी ने मुझे कभी कुछ गलत किया ही नहीं. Maybe because I don't allow them to make me feel like that, or maybe I'm too strong enough to actually make something like that happen. But whatever it is, I feel very much safe, and we should really come out of our corrupted minds and see if India is safe or not. So in last 2 years of my travel journeys, I've never really been into a situation where I would blame India or the male dominant society for whatever was happening, because whatever happened with me wasn't happening because I was in India or I belong to India. It was happening because it could happen to anywhere, anybody across the world, right? So I don't really get the whole point of blaming India for that. Been very lucky, I would say, because during my solo journeys, 90% of the people who have helped me were male. I've been super grateful for being a part of India where culture, ethics and hospitality matters. कुछ लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से ओवर द इंटरनेट और ओवर द मीडिया लोग कहते हैं कि इंडिया अनसेफ है, इंडिया में ये हो रहा है, इंडिया में इतना गलत हो रहा होगा, पर वो दुनिया में भी तो हो रहा है ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है सिर्फ इंडिया में ही हो रहा है गलत. तो we need to understand and we should be sensible enough according to our experiences. When I say I feel safe, it is because I am brave. I speak what my mind says. I do whatever my heart says to do. I am not afraid. मैं किसी से नहीं डरती. क्यों डरूं मैं? तो कोई मुझे देखता है, घूरता है, तो मैं उसे भी देखती हूँ. क्यों ना देखूं? जब तक उसकी आंखें नीचे नहीं होंगी तब तक मैं देखूंगी. तो मैं छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. तो मैं डरती नहीं हूँ, तो लोग मुझसे डर जाते हैं. आई नो माई बाउंड्रीज, कि कब ना बोलना है. ना बोलना सीख लिया तो सब कुछ सीख लिया. जब ज़रूरत है ना बोलो, जब ज़रूरत है कोई बात बना दो, जो ज़रूरत है वो करो. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट विद एन एग्जाम्पल. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेक लिफ्ट मेघालय में, आई थिंक, और 1 घंटा हो चुका था. तो एक गाड़ी आया जिसमें लड़के थे और दे वर प्रीटी ड्रंक. दे वांटेड टू गिव मी राइड, पर मैं नहीं गई उनके साथ में. क्यों? अगर मैं चली जाती, क्योंकि मुझे जाना था, तो मैं जा भी सकती थी. बट अगर मैं चली जाती तो फिर मैं बोलती इंडियन से था, तो मैं नहीं गई. और मेरे साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई क्योंकि मैंने उन्हें अलाउ ही नहीं किया ना. मैंने उन्हें उस तरह फील ही नहीं होने दिया कि मैं इजी टारगेट हूँ, तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. इट्स लॉजिकल दैट इफ यू आर strong enough, then nothing will happen to you. All I want to conclude is that we are very good humans. It's just that the whole society and media has corrupted our minds, and we are stuck into that, and we can't think beyond that. And yes, I feel safe, and I want you to feel safe as well. Traveling solo in India or traveling in India is very easy and very happening and cultural, and you will feel very homely. I would like you to travel in India and feel safe just like I feel. And yeah, I shall see you next time.